Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you how you can draw mountain view nature in Procreate. So first we'll start with the blank canvas. In layer 1 I have to color it, fill it up with this color, and you have to on the same layer you have to use the airbrushing soft brush from the soft brush, and I'm going to use this color, and just you have to fill up the lower portion like this and go to the adjustment Gaussian blur, and okay, Gaussian blur, and make it 45%, so it will be blur like this. So you have to go to the layer 2 and create the layer 2 and go with the medium brush. Okay, you have to do it, you have to just remove, don't need to sketch for this drawing, so you have to do it like this way, just which is look like a mountain. You have to do it like this way. I think I have to remove it, otherwise it will. Okay, so that's good. Now remove that one and you have to make it like this, like which is look like a mountain. That's you have to do it, and you have to just drag the color, delete the previous one, don't worry. Okay, I'm going to use the, like, it's all about the color combination, which color you're going to use it. If you want me to send you the same color code, I can send it to you and this will look amazing, don't worry about it. You will check properly step by step procedure, and you can do it. So I'm going to use a rainforest brush and with the same color on the same layer, and I have to do it like the mountain tree, how it's look like. Make sure the size will be 1 or 2%, opacity will be 100%, because you have already used the same color on the same layer, which is look like a mountain. And on the top portion you have to do it like this, like which is look like a mountain tree, like this. Few of them, not you have to do it thoroughly, you have to do it few of them, so you have to do it like this way. So let me do it first. On the second layer I have completed. Let me create another layer above that, and I have to use a little bit dark color. So as I told you, color combination is very important. I'm going to use the medium brush from the soft brush, and I have to do the same things which is look like a mountain. I have to just drag the color and use the same brush like a rainforest from the organic, and you can use the Tyralia as well, Tyralia or else Aurora. And make sure you have to like the size, it should be to 1 or 2% between this two, not like a 3 will like a 3 it's little bit bigger, so either use 1 or 2 like between 1 or 2 like this, and use the same color. So if you can check properly, I have just you have to do it the same way, like which I have which I did on the previous layer. You have to do it like this way. This on this kind of procedure I have to do it few of them, then I will guide you, and wait for the end. There will be magical things will happen in this painting. I will guide you like in this. If you can follow this kind of step, you can easily draw any kind of nature painting, any kind of landscape painting with like using this method. So wait till the end. So let me do it first. This one, as I told you, you can use, see, for the tree branch you can either use rainforest brush or else Tyralia or else Aurora. This kind of three kind of process you can use it for this kind of tree branches. So if you can check, I have not going to do so many more. I have just going to do it few of them on the second layer. Forget about the background layer. So background layer is on layer 1, and the second layer, which is mountain, the color it's a little bit light, if you can check properly. So you have to do the alpha lock, and make sure I'm going to use the Aurora brush for this, and just do it like this way. You have to just fill up like this, which is look like, you know, the mountain. It not look like it's look prominent, it's look you know, organic type. So you have to do it like this way, just as I told you. Follow the step. This is the easy, beginners can do it easily. You have to just follow the step and watch till the end for the like for this kind of painting. So you have to watch till the end, so that how I'm going to do it. So if you can check, 2 layers I have created without the layer like background layer. I have to create another layer using the medium brush, and I'm going to do it the same way, like the things but I got this reference picture from Pinterest, so you can check it out Pinterest, or if you have any pictures you can go ahead, but procedure will be the same. Procedure and the method which I'm creating, it will be the same. So check it out properly. Make sure you have to, like, the line should be bold, then you can drag the color. If you check properly, I have made a mistake, that's why the color is filled with the whole canvas. Okay, so I'm going to create another layer between 4 and 3. I have to create another layer. Just I was thinking that I should have do it something here, so that's why I'm going to do it. Same thing, like a color you can change it, that's not a problem. I have to just remove this one, which is look like layer wise, like the layer wise you can check properly. It's good, it's look nice now. So if you can check properly, the front one, it's a little bit darker, and I'm going to use this color brown. The alpha lock, I'm going to do it. The size will be 1 or 2%. So if you can check properly, just few tap, like, because it's then it's look prominent, it's look exactly how like mountains look like, how mountain stones look like. So you have to do it like this way. If you check properly, I'm just going to do it like this way, then I'm going to blur it, so it will look nice. Then check it out properly how I'm going to use it. And I'm going to use airbrushing software. Few of the brushes I'm going to use it. This is not a Victor art, so that's I'm going to use one brush. This is a nature painting, mountain view. So in this kind of painting I have to use few of brushes. So check it properly. I'm going to do it first, and I check properly step by step. I'm not going to fast forward, I'm going to do it little bit first, so you can check properly step by step. If you can check the front one, the front the mountain things, like the stones things, the big stones, it's look nice and it's look prominent if you can check properly. Now I'm going to do the little bit tree branch which is visible more, so I'm going to use Sterilier brush or else Aurora, just to make sure this tree should little bit visible, not properly, because that's why I'm going to use the same color, which is the stone, the dark color one. I'm going to use it, few of them, not so many. I'm going to use a few of them. If you check properly, that's the front one, it's look visible more and it's look prominent, the stone. That's why I used the brown color, few of little bit light brown I already used. And this is the way you can do it. And as I told you at the beginning of this video, that if you follow the step, this kind of step, you can easily draw any kind of landscape or nature painting or any mountain painting. If you can do it, you can do it by easily like follow these guidance. So if you can check properly, the size you have to measure it, like in which format you are going to do it. The canvas is A4 canvas I'm using, and obviously I'm using Procreate application, which is I always used. And if you can check properly, I have just a few places I'm going to use it. And for the clarification, for the prominent things, I'm going to use a little bit green color. Few of places I'm going to use it, then it will be a magical things happen if you can check properly. Few of places I'm going to use it. It's a color shade. I'm going to use a little bit dark one, then I'm going to use a little bit lighter one, but not so many places. Few of places you can do it like this way. If you check properly, then it's look nice and it's look amazing. When I have just created the right side one, then I'm going to do it the left side one as well. I think the right side, it's till now it's look good, and when I do it when I will do it to the left side, and the painting will amazing it will look after that. So if you check, I have just used a little bit brighter color of the green, and now it's look prominent, like the lights coming from the background, so it's look prominent. Now if you can check properly, the right side, it's look amazing. So I hope till now it's looking good. Now I'm going to do the same procedure on the left side as well. Procedure will be the same, but you have to do it like this way. first you have to do it the right side, then you have to do it on the left side. So that's the way you can do it. And for this kind of paintings you can utilize your previous layers as well, where you have already created. So that's why I'm not going to use another, I'm not going to create another layer for it. So you have to do it like this way. So for this, you know, like the already created this layer, on the same layer I'm going to do it layer 3. So you have to do it like this way. If you check properly, same procedure, same thing, same things I'm going to draw it. And I have to use the 3 kind of brushes: soft brush, medium brush, rainforest brush, and Tilia Aurora for the. And this is the way I'm going to do it, the stone things. If you can check properly, few places I'm going to do it using the medium brush, and then I'm going to blur it. Okay, so check it properly. Let me do it step by step. On the left side, the first layer I have completed. Now I'm going to use the front layer, which is a little bit dark color. I'm not going to use on the right side. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of those mountain, and the left side I'm going to use maybe 3. So I have to do it first. So if you can check, I have just used till now 2 of them. The font one dark I have already used. And this kind of drawing you have to do it by your own, like how you can maintain, how you want to do it like this way. Check, I have just do it like this. So if you can check, till now the painting looks amazing, but still I need you to improve your painting like a little bit more away. So that's why I'm going to do it. I'm going to use a tile brush. Make sure you have to do it the alpha lock, sorry, and you have to do it like this. Then I'm going to blur it, and which is look prominent stone things. So I'm going to use the airbrush. So I have to just make sure a little bit here, some places I'm going to do it. I'm going to draw, sorry. So if you can check properly, still now it's look good. If you look at the right side of the painting on the canvas, forget about the left side. On the right side, if you can check properly, it's look amazing till now. And the same way I'm going to do it on the left side. So the way I'm going to do it, follow the step. Then as I told you at the beginning, that the magical things I will do it after and at the end of this video. Then which is what is called then the painting will looks more amazing. So you have to wait till the end. So check, I'm not going to do the green things on the left hand side, because the left hand side is I want this kind of things, it's a little bit darker. So I'm not going to do it like this way, because the light is coming from the left side, background of the left side. So that's why I'm not going to do it. I have to create few layers for this. If you want to use the different layers. For example, if you want to create for right side different layers for the different colors, if you want to use the left side one for the different layers, you can do it. But I'm not going to use so many layers for this, because this is like a realistic type painting, but not that kind of realistic that which looks exactly the same, not like this. But yeah, for the beginners, you can try to draw this. That's why for the beginners I'm going to show you that you can utilize your previous layer which you already created. That's why I'm not going to create so many layers for this painting. So if you can check the same procedure which I already followed on the right side of the canvas, that same procedure I have already used. I'm using sorry, on the right side. So if you can check that I have to do it, the few places I have to just merge it. I have to use medium brush, I have to use the soft brush, and I'm going to use the rainforest brush as well. This is the way I'm going to do. The last things I'm going to do it on the big tree on the left hand side, which is cover up each and everything. So I have to do it first, step by step, follow. As I told you, I'm going to use the big tree branch on the left hand side. So for that one, I'm going to use a big tree branch, tidy brush. Make sure the size on this kind of tree little bit bigger, so it will be easy to draw, and you can cover it up each and everything on the left hand side. Not the the mountain things you have to cover it up. You have to just make sure you have to fill it up properly, which is look like a tree, big tree, but it's look prominent, it's look amazing, and it's look realistic type. That's why you have to do it like this way. The procedure will be the same how you already created, but this kind of things, so the big tree branch, you have to follow this step. And for this small tree branch, you can use a studio pen as well. So let me do it first, and you can check properly. Now the magical parts I have to create. So for this magical part, I'm going to create on the layer 5, because as I told you at the beginning, I'm not going to create so many layers. So I'm going to use the dark color, and I'm going to use the medium brush, and I have to draw a bridge, like a walking bridge in between of two mountains. If you can check, just it's easy to draw, like you have to just drag the line and hold it, it will be a straight line. So you have to fill up like this, and you have to just the size will be 1 or 2%, not the, because the mountains look a little bit small, so that's why you have to do it like this way. Forget about the, you have to just draw the line, hold with the pencil, and it will be a straight line. Do it like this way. See, it will, and as I told you, it will be amazing after you draw the this working bridge, and it's a magical things. So if you can check properly, it's look amazing. Now I have to draw just zoom in, and you have to do it just prominent small things which is look like using the same color, which is look like bridge. Actually it's look like a working bridge. You can just do it if you can check, I'm just going to draw it formally, not like properly the line should be straight or not like that. No, for the beginners who can just utilize this kind of method, or if you want to draw a straight line, you can just draw the line and hold it, it will be a straight line. So don't worry about it. If you can check properly, I have just draw the size and middle of things, I have to do it like this way. So I have completed this painting with the easy process. As I told you, anyone can draw who wants to draw digital art, who wants to learn digital art, how to draw in Procreate, how to use Procreate, this kind of painting, this kind of nature painting, mountain view painting, easily can follow this step. And the last things which you need to draw go to the background layer using the soft brush, using the light color. You have to just make sure you have to do it few steps, check it out properly, and you can utilize the alpha lock for it, so which is look amazing and realistic type. If you check, I've just created few of them. And opacity you have to down a little bit, not the 100% opacity, you have to use it. So I have already, as I told you, have completed. Do let me know in the comment section how is it. If it's helpful for you, do it. Grab your iPad and do it like this painting and share with me. I would love to see your creation. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and do let me know in the comment section what I have to draw next time. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.